It's time to review the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip6. In the last video, we reviewed the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and now it's time to dive into the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip6. It comes back with a faster chip, much longer battery life, and more AI. The Z Flip6 styling. The aluminum frame has gone from glossy to brushed, and it's been flattened further, and the main cameras have gotten accent rings. The Z Flip6 also has an exceptional hinge. It moves fluidly with no resistance or creakiness. It can be propped up at almost any angle, and it easily snaps open and closes shut with one hand. The hinge is also more durable than ever, featuring Samsung's new dual-rail hinge design. The company says it has better shock distribution than past models, combined with an IP48 rating that offers dust and water resistance. The dimensions and weight are nearly identical to the previous one. It has a plastic front, unfolded, and a glass back, and buttons on the side are somewhat out of reach too, with a side-mounted fingerprint reader. One of the Z Flip6's main attractions is certainly the cover display, and it's remained the same for this generation, its odd-notched shape making it quirky and more attractive. It's a 3.4-inch Super AMOLED panel with a 720 by 748 resolution, a 60 Hz refresh rate, and 1600 nits. Meanwhile, the Z Flip6's biggest competitor, the Motorola Razr Plus 2024, comes with a 4-inch AMOLED panel with a 1080 by 2640 resolution and up to a 165 Hz refresh rate. It is really impressive to use it freely, coming up with Z Flip6 foldable screen, a 6.7-inch dynamic 2x AMOLED panel with a 2640 by 1080 resolution, up to a 120 Hz refresh rate, and up to 2600 nits of peak brightness. The increased brightness is a very nice touch, up from 1750 nits on the Flip 5. Both screens are protected with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Coming to the specs and hardware, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, the same one you get in the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Ultra. The base is 256GB and 512GB variety. All versions come with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM. It comes with Android 14 and is paired with Samsung's One UI 6.1.1 interface. In addition to customizing the cover screen with full-size widgets for things like the weather, your calendar and more, Samsung has added automatic transcription, translation, and summarization features for voice recordings. Also, there may not be S Pen support on the Flip, but you can doodle with your fingers. The star of the show is a 50-megapixel primary camera and 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 123-degree field of view, plus a 10-megapixel selfie camera at the top of the inner display. With 4K video support at 30, 60 FPS, the Flip 6 takes full advantage of the form factor's inherent benefits. You can use the cover screen for framing selfies, and you get access to both cameras, and you can zoom in too. The 2x level works great for shooting from a distance with the phone halfway folded and resting on a table. The camera is pretty good. We can't complain about the Flip 6's electronic stabilization capabilities. On the contrary, the results are praiseworthy when it comes to walking shake removal, panning smoothness, or just general steadiness when keeping the phone pointed in one direction. One of the changes to this year's Flip that can pass for major is the increase in battery capacity. The Z Flip 6 is powered by a 4000 mAh battery, 8% higher than before. Unfortunately, charging speeds haven't improved at all. Once again, you're stuck with 25-watt wired charging, 15-watt wireless charging, and 4.5-watt reverse wireless charging. The colors this year include yellow, mint, blue, and gray. If you buy the Flip 6 from Samsung's website, you get 3 more options: peach, white, and crafted black. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is available for pre-order now. It starts at $1,100 in the US, which is a $100 increase over the Flip 5. That's all for now. Which Samsung phone do you think is better? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, and follow us on social handles for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, Tech Aficionados.